guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's exciting video because I've been telling you I have been wanting to swatch the Wet n Wild Cloud Pouts forever, and that's what we're doing today. But before I get ahead of myself, hi, welcome. If you are new, I'm Bondbeautyful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I do a new video. You can join the family. I upload every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, a new makeup video. And if you're not following me over Instagram or TikTok, you definitely want to be following me and seeing what kind of adventures I'm doing and what's been going on. I've been kind of like doing a bunch of things, like going sailing, just doing a bunch of things. I can't even think about it all right now, but you definitely want to go check it out on Instagram and TikTok. If you like when I swatch lippies, make sure to smash the like button and just smash it anyways if you like my videos to make some noise for the algorithm because my videos need to get pushed out there more. Don't you think? I mean, don't you guys think? Come on. So, I've had the Wet n Wild Cloud Pouts forever. I think they are absolutely amazing. They are my favorite lippy of the moment. I love these. They're so affordable. They're $3.99 at Target, and I'm pretty sure either $2.99 or $3.99 again at Walmart. They're super inexpensive, and they come in all different shades. They feel so soft and fluffy. Like, I can't even explain it. They feel very fluffy, and my lips are very dry and have lots of wrinkles and lines, and these really fill in those lines and just kind of smooth everything out and makes me look just kind of like satiny. They have like a beautiful satin matte finish. It's just, these are so gorgeous. If you haven't tried them yet, you're going to want to run to the store and grab them, or if you're lazy like me, I'll just link them down below for you guys. That's literally what I do for everything now. I never go to the store. I just order stuff and they come to my door. Anyways, I have all of them here to share with you guys, every single one of them, and I'm so excited to swatch them for you guys. I do really love these. These are all kind of like a, if you use like a light coat, they're like a medium coverage, but you can build them up to like a full coverage and they just look so good. They feel so light on the lips and they look amazing. So I hope you really enjoy the video, and let's just get started. And at the very end, I'll tell you my personal favorites. This one right here is Fluffer Muffer. This is my favorite nude. This is by far my favorite and most used. Next is Cloud Chaser. The Cloud Chaser has like a baby pink, it's a pink nude is what it looks like to me. It's a pink nude, but it is very cool toned pink nude, you know what I mean? So like on my warm skin, it looks almost like baby doll pink nude, which is really beautiful if you have light skin, lighter skin than me. This one is gonna look absolutely gorgeous on you. But personally, I still love the Cloud Powder, this first one, the Fluffer Muffer, as my nude color personally, but this one's a really beautiful one as well. Next is Pour Some Sugar on Me. This is a really nice warm pinky lipstick, looks very beautiful, and it's one that I use quite often actually. Girl You're Whipped. Girl You're Whipped is like a mauve, your lips but better mauve color. That's what it is for me anyways. I have mauve lips, and this is just a really beautiful mauve berry that is very subtle and gorgeous. Next one is Cotton Candy Skies. Again, more of a cooler pink, and this is more like a Barbie cool pink. This next one's called Marshmallow Madness, which is definitely starting to get a little darker and more of like the pinky, dark pinky coral. Next, we have Candy Wasted, which is a super bright, cool toned Barbie pink. Let me show you it. These look exactly how they look in the container, is exactly how they look on my lips. So beautiful. Okay, here we go. This is Fluff You, which is just a very bright coral. This one almost looks like a red, but not quite. Okay, next is kind of like a Marsh to My Mellow, which is a little bit of that like deeper mauve color. Very beautiful. Next is Love You S'more, which is a deep brown, very beautiful, and it's gonna be a big staple in the fall. Here's the last one, and this one is the red. This is the Don't Sugarcoat It. It looks almost like an orangey red, but maybe it's more of like a true red. We'll have to see. Definitely more like a neutral red, has a bit of both here. Okay, so really quickly, my favorites as well as the lashes that I'm wearing, because I always get asked. These are the House of Lashes from their light collection. These are the iconic lights. If you're wondering, I'll link those below. But as far as my favorite cloud pouts, I love this one, the Fluffer Muffer. This one is my favorite. It's my favorite nude. I use this all the time. I have it in my purse. I absolutely love it. I also really like this one, the Cloud Chaser, because it has a bit of like a pinkiness to it, and I love putting this over top of like peachy liners. Those look so beautiful, like a nudish peachy pink, and I really, really love it. Also, guys, the one that I'm wearing right now, this red, I love it. For some reason in the summertime is when I like to pull out my reds. I wish they had like an orangey fiery red. That would just be the best thing in the world, but they don't. So this is the red that they have. Don't sugarcoat it. I love it. I think it's so beautiful. It's a really good mix between cool and warm. So I feel like, and a lot of people can pull it off, and I definitely feel like I can pull it off, and it doesn't make my teeth look yellow. So I love this red. It's really, really gorgeous. And the last one that I actually really, really love is Marshmallow Madness, because it's like a bit of like a peachy coral type of color. And I use it so very lightly, and it gives me just like a wash of color that is just so beautiful. Those are my 4 favorites. I mean, they're all beautiful, don't get me wrong. They're all lovely, and if you like the color, you like the color. But those are the ones that I get the most use out of, so that's why they're my favorites, because I'm always looking for those ones, and I really love those. So I hope you enjoyed the swatch video. Don't forget to like if you haven't liked my video. Comment down below if there's a certain like lippies that you want me to swatch. If you want me to do more swatch videos, let me know. Also, go follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.